What up? This is your boy ZK, Zimbabwe Kid. How are you doing? Kundedi, what's up? This is Learn to Speak Shona with Zimbabwe Kid. And I have a Shona request. Pretty simple. How do you say big and how do you say small? If you're talking about people, you would say mukuru, and that's big person. Mudiki is small. And then if you're talking about things, like say a big car, you would say ikuru or mbe. If you're saying something small, like a small car, you would say chidiki. So mukuru is big person. Chikuru, that is a big thing. Mudiki is a small person. And then chidiki is a small thing. And that's it for today's Learn to Speak Shona. I hope you guys caught that. I'm driving and the windows are down, so you know, you might not catch what I'm saying. If not, hey, I'll probably do another video. The more the better. And that's it for Learn to Speak Shona with Zimbabwe Kid. ZK, Simbo Nexus, ZimbabweKid.com. Peace.